Hey, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com, here to show you the Thule WingBar Evo. And here we have examples of this bar in both colors. These are aluminum bars, and here we have the aluminum finish. Then we also have the black powder coat finish. So these are Thule's premium load bars, offering their best aerodynamic performance. The shape has an airfoil shape. The leading edge is designed to minimize wind drag and wind noise. The internal structure, you can see here, instead of just being hollow, it actually has a very sophisticated box beam extrusion. So there's the top track to accommodate certain accessories, as well as the underbar track to accommodate the various foot packs. So here, when you receive these bars, they'll come with a separate strip which is pressed into place, and I'll just go ahead and show how simple that is. You just press down and it engages into the top track of the bar. This is a unique design which enables very easy installation of compatible accessories which use fasteners similar to this. This is a square-headed bolt which just slides into the channel, and that gives you an attachment point for certain carriers. Let's go ahead and put the end cap on. The end cap gives the bar a nice finished look, but also still gives you easy access to that same track installation. So over here, we also are showing the various feet that are designed to work with this bar. This is the Thule Raingutter foot, and this Raingutter foot works on many vehicles that have a rain gutter. Probably the most popular would be the Jeep Wrangler hardtop. Next we have the Evo Clamp. This is a sample of a raised side rail, and this is designed to fit to the widest possible range of raised side rails, the Evo Clamp. Next we have the Rapid Podium foot. And the Rapid Podium fits to many vehicles that have fixed point connections and also flush side rails, as well as tracks. And then lastly is the Evo Clamp. And this Evo Clamp is specifically designed for vehicles that have a bare roof, like the vehicle that's behind us here. So when choosing between the black or silver, on this vehicle we have both. That way you can get a feel for what might accent your vehicle best. So in this case, it's a white vehicle. If you're looking for contrasting color, then of course black is going to contrast with the white the most, whereas silver blends in and also gives that two-tone look that's popular. Also, many people will cue off of the wheel color. In this case, black wheels with a black bar help to balance out the look of the vehicle. Of course, this is all subjective and just whatever is most popular and looks the best for your particular vehicle. But this gives you a good overview on how you might choose between the two colors on the bars. Whichever you choose, you'll get bars that offer excellent aerodynamics, very low wind drag, very low wind noise, and very easy attachment of accessories into the bar without having to modify the rubber. So this is the Thule WingBar Evo. I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions. And thanks for watching.